pumps, often when electricity is cheapest. This saves cities millions in energy costs and reduces equipment wear. AI keeps water moving, preventing stagnation and maintaining safe chlorine levels. It can even spot leaks by detecting sudden pressure drops, enabling quick repairs. Water management shifts from guesswork to data-driven precision. The result? Cleaner water, lower bills, and fewer emergencies. AI transforms water towers from passive storage to active, intelligent guardians. Every drop is managed smarter, safer, and more efficiently. The future of water is proactive, not reactive. With AI, our cities' water systems finally get the brains they deserve.
Smarter water management means healthier, more livable cities. A small investment in intelligence delivers massive public good.
Cities are building resilience and sustainability with AI.
The old way was guesswork. The new way is smart, data-driven, and efficient.
This proactive approach saves millions of gallons of water.
When AI spots a problem, crews get precise alerts, fixing leaks before they escalate.
In Europe, AI detects leaks early, preventing major breaks and water loss.
These savings mean cleaner water and a smaller carbon footprint.
Utilities like Xylem use AI to cut pump energy use by over 30%, lowering costs and emissions. AI analyzes data to create perfect pumping strategies, filling towers at the lowest energy cost.
In South Bend, Indiana, AI helped avoid costly new tanks by optimizing existing infrastructure, saving millions.
This isn't science fiction. Cities worldwide are already using AI for water management.
The revolution is here. Safer water, fairer bills, and a healthier environment. The future is flowing, and it's intelligent.
The path forward is smart, efficient, and sustainable. Citizens should support leaders investing in intelligent infrastructure.
Less energy means lower emissions. Fewer leaks mean more water saved. It's good for budgets and the planet.
As cities expand, we can't afford to waste water or energy. AI-powered grids support more people with fewer resources, key to sustainable growth.
That means lower bills, cleaner water, and cities ready for anything.
Every drop is monitored, every pump run at the right time.
AI is like a supercomputer for our water grid, dynamic, predictive, and precise. It creates daily custom plans optimizing for efficiency and safety.
The difference is clear. Old water management was slow, wasteful, and reactive.